We're now in the second week of February and we've seen in the last 24 hours significant rain across the state. However, it's really interesting about the rain, how it's fallen. In Mildura it's been next to nothing. In Swan Hill 2 millimetres has been recorded, but through central Victoria there's been 25-30 millimetres of rain in what is a very short period over about 12 hours. And in some places it's recorded 45 to 50 millimetres to the east of Melbourne, but then in East Gippsland still back to almost nothing. So it's a really interesting pattern of rain, but it has changed this week without a doubt. Traditionally this week would be one of those key weeks because if it stayed hot it meant that February fire season was really locked in. This is a bit of a change. We've just got to be so careful though that we're trying to understand what this rain really does mean, and it's too early to call that it's had an impact to see a fire season disappear. So we're back to 42 degrees, into the high 30s in some locations in most parts of the northern parts of the state, Wednesday, Thursday, and then fire danger ratings are in the very high again on Sunday due to some higher wind speeds. So it's an interesting week. Take it that we still could have a fire season ahead of us. There isn't any significant rain forecast past this point, and that means it will dry out again, and we'll see that will come back with fuels in everywhere. Now over the weekend we've seen SES out busy, MFB overnight due to the rain, particularly around the metro area. And we also had a fire on Saturday that did significant public interest and significant burning for CFA, MFB, Parks Victoria in the outer metropolitan area at Diggers Rest, and got a fair bit of media coverage about what just a fire can do, and it appears it was started by a mower. So a simple way of starting a fire on a very high fire danger day, and there we go, we've got something that's crawling in around the outer metropolitan area and impacting on people. So that's it. I think it's stay tuned. We'll try and work out what this rain really does mean to the fire season, and obviously you'll be in the same position as that.